The Department of BGMC at Bharati Vidyapeeth's Institute of Computer Application and Management, New Delhi organized a vibrant and memorable freshers party, Bienvenido 2025, on 4th October 2025 in the Institute auditorium. The event was a grand celebration to welcome the new batch of budding media professionals and mark the beginning of their exciting academic journey. The program commenced with the assembly of students and engaging ice-breaking games, followed by the introduction of the judging panel and the declaration of competition rules. The highlight of the day was the much anticipated Mr. and Miss Bienvenido competition, where students confidently showcased their talent, creativity, and personality through ramp walks and interactive rounds. Enthusiastic cultural performances by student groups and the Hunt the Latent talent show added a vibrant spirit to the celebration. After the intense round of performances and interactions, the following titles were awarded to the most deserving participants: Mr. Bienvenido 2025 Yash Raj Bisla, Miss Bienvenido 2025 Yashika Mangotra, Diva of the Day Dorika, Dude of the Day Akshat Singh, and Talent of the Year Kabir Goyal. The event concluded with the prize distribution ceremony and an energetic DJ session, leaving everyone with cherished memories and excitement for the journey ahead. Bienvenido 2025 successfully reflected the creativity, enthusiasm, and team spirit of BJMC department.